All right, today's project, I'm gonna get rid of these crummy wheels on here and put some Foley rubber wheels on it. First thing I need is a block, so I gotta push this back and slide the block under so I can get the wheel off. All right, so I gotta get this sucker up on top of here. Oh, it's so heavy. There we go. Now I can get this thing off. See, all it is a cotter pin. No big deal. Here's my new wheels. Hopefully they'll work. We'll find out. Cut this stuff off of them, and it should work. We'll find out. All right, so I cut those things off. I think all we're gonna need is some needle nose. It looks pretty simple. I just gotta pull this out of there. That's it. Set it right there. And then there's that deal right there. And then I think all I gotta do is just slide this baby off. Of course, I haven't got that properly positioned. All right, so I gotta kind of lift this and then slide this back a little bit. Right now, I can just pull that right out of there. And then I can just take and slide that one on. Whew! Does not give me a lot of room. Not give me a lot of room, but maybe I can push it from the other side a little bit. Let's see. Oh yeah, see this one over here? Looks like I got room to push it. But I might have to pull the whole thing out and then throw it through. That looks like what I have to do. So I want to save this. I don't want to lose these. I'm going to put them right here because that's what holds the whole thing in. I'm going to move my block over like this, and then I'm going to pull the whole thing over a little bit. All right, so what I got to do is I got to lift this whole thing up and get it over here. And then I'm going to put the other block under it. Like that. That should do it. Already got a block. I got a block there. I'm going to put another block on the other side, which is going to be a pain in the butt because I got to get all the way over there. So I'm going to set it there first, and then we're going to walk over here. Oh shit, the AC just turned on. Not a lot of room to work here. I probably should have pulled this out, but I'm so freaking lazy. Alright, so let me get this over here. And then just got to get it under there. I think I can push it under there. It's caught on this. Yeah, see? I don't need it that much, I just need a little bit to hold it. All right, and then we can pull these out right over there. Then I'm just going to pull this whole thing out. So I've got to lift it up a little bit, get it on that block. Now I'm on both blocks. Let's lift this up, get this out of there. All right, now we can see it. Now I can pull it out of there. Hopefully that axle isn't bent too much. I'm gonna find out right now. See how it's coming out? I think I need to get it a little bit higher. So I gotta get under here and lift it. It's just under there. Of course I got all kinds of shit here. Let's see if I can pull this out of here. Of course it's probably caught on something. I'm gonna get under it, lift it up. Let's see if I can. There we go. I got it out. So now we just gotta set it back down. We gotta get this off of here, which you can see it's got like some kind of, oh shit. It's maybe more than a problem than I thought. You see that collar on there? All right, we gotta take this in. Well, let's put that over there. I gotta go inside. So anyway, you can see our dilemma here. This is a little bent, and it's got a collar on the inside there, and somehow I gotta get that off of there and straighten this so that it'll go through. I do believe if I cut it on this side, I should be able to do that. All right, so anyway, I'm gonna use my blade. Hopefully I don't cut my finger off. I just gotta get a little bit of a notch in there. Just a little bit of a notch. Then I can pull this thing out of there. You want to make sure you don't cut yourself when you do this, because it is sharp as the son of a gun. I just need enough of a notch to get the head through. You see that? So I should, oh, I need more. I have to cut more. There we go. All right. So now I should. Looks like I got to cut more. Oh shit. It's always good to have a good sharp knife. Good razor knife. One of the best tools ever. I think that we should be able to pull that fucker out of there. Haha! I have done it. Now I got to straighten that sucker out. I think I'm just going to pull this off. All right, I'm going to cut it down here. Just like that. And then it should just pop off. I think. We'll see. Maybe I can. All right, let me try it again. Get the cut on there. You gotta be careful with these freaking knives, man. They're definitely sharp. Done. Now it should just slide off. Bam, done. All right, now we gotta bend this back. So, all right, so we're gonna use the hammer. So we're just going to try to get it like this. See if we can beat it down. It's going to be tough. Ta-da! Now we're good. Necessity is the mother of a hammer. Always good to have one of these bad boys in your tool shed. Knock some heads. All right, now we should be good. We should be able to use this thing. Let's try it. All right, so we're pretty straight. I mean, we're not super straight, but I think it might work. We'll find out. You know. Hey. All right, so the question is which way should I put it? I think I got to put it like this. This would be the outside, right? So I'm going to put it through like that first. And now I got to come over here and feed it through this hole. Right there. There's another hole on the other side, of course. But I gotta get it through. There we go. So here. See, there's another. Alright, so there's two holes you gotta get through. This one on this side and this side. We've gotten through both. And we just gotta slide it up. We gotta move that out of the way. And then just push it through. And we're gonna come over here. Go through that hole. Bam, done. Now we got more than enough room. So we want to use this side in, just like that. Bam. And there's our cotter pin, goes right there. So here's something else that fell off. Let's put that on there too. Just an extra piece. And I think I'm going to put a bunch of, well, maybe I don't need to. I don't know. I guess that might work. All right, so this definitely has to go on first, like that. And then basically just stick this cotter pin in there. I mean, I probably could have put two more things on there. All right, so anyway, we got to get this thing in there. Use the cotter pin. Push it in. And that's it. Now it's done. All right, I think I'm good. Holy shizzle! Look at my hair. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other hairdos. Peace out.